Hey there, I'm Slovensky, a Virginia divorce and family law attorney with over a decade of experience. Today, I want to shed some light on some critical aspects of divorce here in Virginia, the difference between fault and no-fault divorce. Let's start with who can actually get a divorce. There are specific qualifications to meet for any type of divorce in Virginia. However, one common requirement is either you or your spouse must be a Virginia resident for at least 6 months before filing. Without meeting this criterion, you won't be allowed to proceed with your divorce. Okay, so what is a no-fault divorce? And importantly, how long does it take to get a no-fault divorce? A no-fault divorce is where a spouse does not allege that the reason for the divorce is due to factors like abuse, adultery, or abandonment. Simply put, there's something akin to irreconcilable differences, even though we don't really use that word in Virginia, in one's marriage, and a divorce is the way forward. Still, although you don't need to claim a fault-based reason, you will need to live apart from your spouse for a certain amount of time before filing for divorce if you don't have a fault-based reason to file. If you and your spouse do not have minor children, then you can finalize a divorce in 6 months, so long as you can agree on a property settlement agreement, which should address all of your property and spousal support issues. If you do not sign a property settlement agreement, then the wait period is 12 months before a judge can sign off on the divorce. Now let's discuss fault-based divorce. This type of divorce is only filed if a spouse has valid fault claim under Virginia law. The grounds for divorce are the same statewide, whether you're in Roanoke or elsewhere in Virginia. There are 4 fault-based grounds a spouse can claim. They're adultery, cruelty, desertion or abandonment, including constructive abandonment, meaning the party's behavior was so bad that you practically cannot live together anymore. It's the closest thing we have to reconcilable differences in Virginia. A felony conviction leading to a year or more prison time is also a reason to get a fault-based divorce in Virginia. A fault-based divorce can be beneficial if you need spousal support or a custody determination prior to a year of separation running. It may also impact how a judge divides assets. There's a lot more to the divorce process than just fault or no fault. It can be complicated and emotionally draining, but that's why we're here. If you're located in Roanoke and want to take the next steps towards securing your future, give us a call.